In this lecture, we're going to move on to the peritoneum and the peritoneal sac. So the peritoneum and the peritoneal sac, or the peritoneal cavity, is a really important serous membrane that lines the inside of the abdominal cavity, and it encloses the abdominal viscera. It allows the organs within the abdomen to move freely and smoothly. And it's also important in suspending and supporting these organs. So we're going to look at the various parts of the peritoneum and how it's divided into visceral and parietal parts. We'll look at retroperitoneal and intraperitoneal organs. And then we'll move on and look at mesenteries, peritoneal ligaments, and omenta, before finishing with the subdivisions of the peritoneal cavity, like the greater sac and the lesser sac, and how we can look at infra and supracolic compartments. So previously, in the lectures that have preceded this, we've spoken about the organs really in isolation, and we've put them into context with the relationship they have with other organs of the abdomen. But this peritoneum is the membrane that binds them all together, that attaches them to one another or attaches them to the body wall. If this peritoneum didn't happen, it didn't occur, didn't exist, then what's to stop the stomach just falling down into the pelvis? The fact that the stomach is suspended via the lesser omentum, we'll come to know, from the liver, and it holds it to the spleen, and obviously it's anchored to the esophagus and the diaphragm, gives all of these organs their position within the abdominal cavity. And that's what we're going to look at today.